Will the government ever set kind of a testing regimen for antibody testing for COVID?
Well, the one of the things that came out was the CDC didn't recommend testing after the vaccination, but the primary reason for that was because then available tests for the antibodies did not detect the response to the vaccines. So that wasn't unreasonable, but now that we have new tests that do detect that, not everybody responds to the vaccine, and I think getting real world data rather than tightly controlled clinical studies to see how efficacious they are is important. For instance, the report from the clinical trial suggested that some of these were 94, 95% effective. In the real world, it's closer to 90%, which is still remarkable. But you know, at the end of the day, data helps educate and drive better practices. You know, we did social distancing at 6 feet with no scientific data to support it, but now they've cut that back to 3 feet. I think the more data we gather, the better we can give advice to people on how to protect yourselves. And vaccines, I will tell you that the rapid development of these vaccines is one of the most important milestones in medicine in recent times, largely because normally vaccines take years and years and years to validate. These messenger RNA vaccines are extremely good because they don't need to be cultured on eggs, which precludes a lot of people getting vaccinated like me. I can't get most vaccines because they do them on eggs. But these are actually going into your body, and I want to address this because it's one of the concerns people have. It goes into your body, and your body uses that messenger RNA to make a protein that usually comes from the virus, but it doesn't make a virus, but your body sees that protein as foreign and makes antibodies to it. It's magic. And the rumor that goes around the internet is it's going to alter your DNA. Okay, it doesn't alter your DNA. It makes the protein and then it gets disposed of by your body. So don't worry about that. It hasn't changed anybody's DNA.